In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. So you want to make sure that you're on your page, right? You want to make sure that you select the right page you want to add the WhatsApp number to, right? Once you have come to the right page, click on the menu icon right here, right click on it, which is your profile picture, right? Once you click on it, it's going to show you all this, right? Just click on pages, right? Once you come here, it's going to show you all this, right? Just click on this setting icons here, right? Click on these settings icons, then scroll down, click on page setup, click on connected profile, right? Now it's going to show you this, right? Click on WhatsApp to connect your WhatsApp number, right? Now paste your WhatsApp number right here. Right? Paste your WhatsApp number right here so that you can link your WhatsApp number to your page, right? Now once you paste your WhatsApp number here, click on send code to WhatsApp, right? Click on it. Good. Now WhatsApp is going to text me an OTP. So once I paste the OTP here, immediately my WhatsApp number will be confirmed and it will be linked to my Facebook page, right? So this is exactly how you can link your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page, right? So I hope you find this video helpful. All right, make sure you like this video and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question. Most importantly, you want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I drop valuable videos like this every single week. All right, until then, I'm going to see you in my next video.